Hello, I'm Dr. Victoria Brooks. Every day, I share real effective ways to help men restore their strength and confidence. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Let's get started. Today, I'm sharing something that might honestly surprise you. We're talking about how a simple purple fruit, eaten before bed, can help bring back that morning vitality and confidence that so many men haven't felt in years. Yes, I'm talking about morning erections. And before you brush this off as something trivial, listen closely. Morning erections are one of the most accurate indicators of a man's vascular and hormonal health. When they fade, it's your body's early warning sign that circulation, testosterone, or vascular function is slipping. So, why am I, a urologist, talking about fruit? Isn't erectile performance all about hormones or medication? Actually, the connection between diet and performance runs much deeper than most people realize, and the research behind it is fascinating. A few months ago, I had a patient named Oliver, 61 years old. He came into my clinic feeling frustrated and discouraged. He hadn't experienced a single morning erection in nearly 3 years, not even once. It was affecting his confidence, his relationship, his energy, even his motivation to stay active. He'd tried supplements, even thought about medications, but he wanted something natural, something without side effects. So, I introduced him to what I call the purple fruit protocol. Within 6 weeks, Oliver started noticing spontaneous morning erections again. By the 3-month mark, he told me he felt 20 years younger. His mood improved, his relationship thrived, and the sparkle in his eyes was back. As a doctor, that transformation is one of the most rewarding things to witness. So, what's this miracle purple fruit? It's the blueberry. Before you roll your eyes, thinking there's no way something that simple could make a difference, let's break down what's happening inside your body. Blueberries are packed with compounds called anthocyanins, the natural pigments that give them that deep purple-blue color. These are some of the most powerful vascular protectors in nature. They improve the health of your endothelium, the thin inner lining of your blood vessels that controls blood flow throughout your body. When your endothelium is healthy, it produces nitric oxide, the key molecule that helps your vessels relax and open. That relaxation allows strong blood flow, and blood flow is everything when it comes to erections. As men age, endothelial function weakens, nitric oxide drops, and circulation suffers. That's when erectile quality starts to decline. Anthocyanins help reverse this. They keep your vessels young, flexible, and responsive. Large studies show that men who regularly eat anthocyanin-rich foods have a significantly lower risk of erectile issues. Roughly a 10% drop in risk for each additional serving per day. That's a huge payoff for something as simple as eating a handful of berries. And here's something most men don't know. Timing matters. When you eat blueberries before bed, those anthocyanins circulate through your bloodstream at night during your natural REM cycles. When your body produces multiple nighttime erections, these are crucial for keeping erectile tissue oxygenated and healthy. By fueling your system with anthocyanins right before sleep, you're giving your natural repair cycle a serious boost. Aim for about 1 cup of blueberries 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Fresh or frozen, both work. Mix them with yogurt, warm them with cinnamon, or just enjoy them plain. The key isn't perfection, it's consistency. But blueberries are just the start. Next up, blackberries, and they actually contain even more anthocyanins. They also have a unique compound called cyanidin-3 glucoside, proven to strengthen blood vessels and improve endothelial function. 1 cup of blackberries provides about 8 grams of fiber, and that fiber does 2 important things. 1, it keeps your blood sugar stable, which supports testosterone and nitric oxide. 2, it nourishes your gut microbiome, which directly affects hormone balance and inflammation control. Blackberries are also rich in vitamin C, used by your body to build collagen, the protein that keeps blood vessels strong and elastic. Stronger vessels mean stronger flow. A serving of 3/4 to 1 cup before bed is perfect. Alternate them with blueberries to get a variety of nutrients. Another powerhouse? Black raspberries. Harder to find fresh, but widely available frozen or in powder form. They contain even higher anthocyanin levels and are especially powerful at reducing inflammation, one of the hidden causes of erectile decline. Chronic inflammation silently damages your vessels and lowers nitric oxide. Regular black raspberry intake improves blood pressure, arterial flexibility, and endothelial function, all essential for performance. If you're using the powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons mixed in water or a smoothie does the job. Let's move to dark grapes, the deep purple or almost black kind. Their skins and seeds contain proanthocyanidins and resveratrol, both proven to protect blood vessels and boost nitric oxide. Resveratrol also activates longevity genes and defends your tissues from oxidative stress. Eat 1 to 1.5 cups of dark grapes before bed for a natural synergy. Fiber, antioxidants, and plant compounds all working together. Now, one of my personal favorites, purple figs. Figs are legendary for a reason. They're rich in arginine, the amino acid your body converts into nitric oxide. They also provide magnesium, potassium, and zinc, all essential for hormone balance and circulation. Low zinc is one of the most common hidden reasons for weak testosterone and poor erectile strength. Figs help correct that naturally. Eat 2 to 4 fresh figs or 2 to 3 dried ones before bed. Pair them with a spoonful of almond butter for steady overnight energy. First, plums, especially dark purple ones. They're rich in anthocyanins and phenolic acids that calm inflammation and improve blood flow. They're also high in vitamin K, which prevents calcium buildup in arteries, a hidden cause of age-related erectile decline. Plus, plums provide boron, a mineral linked to higher free testosterone. 2 or 3 ripe plums before bed is a simple, delicious routine. Now, one of the most powerful purple foods on the planet, acai berries. Acai ranks among the highest in antioxidants of any fruit. Its anthocyanins protect the endothelium from oxidative stress, one of the top culprits in declining performance. Since fresh acai spoils quickly, it's sold as frozen puree or powder. Use about 100 grams of puree or 1 tablespoon of powder before bed. Mix it with other berries or a bit of honey for taste. Then we have tart cherries, dark, rich, and special for one reason. They're a natural source of melatonin. Melatonin doesn't just help you sleep, it also supports testosterone production, which peaks during deep sleep. Poor sleep means less testosterone and weaker morning energy. Tart cherries give a 1-2 punch. Anthocyanins for blood flow and melatonin for recovery. Studies show tart cherry juice can add over an hour of extra sleep time. That's more opportunity for your body to restore hormones and circulation. Eat about 1 cup of tart cherries or drink 8 to 12 ounces of unsweetened juice before bed. Finally, purple passion fruit, bright, tangy, and powerful. Its pulp and seeds are packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and B vitamins your body needs for hormone production and vessel elasticity. It also contains piceyatannol, a cousin of resveratrol, that boosts nitric oxide and calms inflammation. 2 or 3 fruits before bed make a perfect finish to your day. Now here's the big takeaway. The deeper the purple, the stronger the benefits. That color isn't just pretty. It's the visible sign of anthocyanin power. When you shop, go for the darkest berries, the blackest grapes, the ripest plums. Rotate them through the week. Blueberries Monday, figs Tuesday, grapes Wednesday, so your body gets the full range of vascular supporting compounds. And here's a pro tip. Pair these fruits with healthy fats, nuts, seeds, avocado, to boost antioxidant absorption. You might be wondering, can't I just take a supplement? You can. but whole fruits give you what pills can't: fiber, synergy, and hundreds of natural compounds working together. Supplements are fine backups, but real food always wins. If you do take one, look for whole fruit extracts standardized for anthocyanin content, about the equivalent of 1 to 2 cups of berries. Gentlemen, that's the power of purple. A handful of richly colored fruits, eaten consistently before bed, can truly transform your vascular health, hormonal balance, and morning vitality. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more real, science-based ways to stay strong, energized, and confident at any age. Drop a comment and tell me which purple fruit you'll try first. Until next time, I'm Dr. Victoria Brooks, reminding you, simple, natural choices can create powerful results. Here's to your health and vitality.